Hi there everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new iPad Pro. Just come out today. We're going to be doing an unboxing, first look, see what we think. We're going to be doing a little bit of a comparison to one of the older iPads, not the previous iPad Pro, but one of the third generations. So today we're going to be unboxing this. Let's take a look. Right then, let's get this film off. Get it up, and there it is, the brand new iPad. Let's put this to one side and see what else we get in the box. So we get the usual power leads and syncing cable. We get the plug, and the usual Apple paraphernalia. Apple are usually very minimalist on what they supply to you, so there you go, not very helpful at all. And some Apple stickers that no one uses at all. Okay, so that's it for the box. No headphones supplied with it, so we'll have to make do with our old ones. Like itself. Let's do this very satisfying. And there we have it. So there it is. As you can see, the bezels are smaller than the last one, and what I'm going to do over here is just bring you, this is the third generation iPad. You can see the difference immediately. The new iPad Pro has a slightly bigger form factor, but you can see the screen size is much bigger, and as you can see there, it's so much thinner. So that's that. Let's power this on. Now the iPad again has two speakers at the bottom and two at the top, the same as the last generation. The button placement is the same as the last iPad, and the Apple have kept the chamfered edges, which do look good. The camera is supported by a quad LED flash and is still protruding from the body. It's capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second, as well as 1080p at 60 frames per second. Apple have again kept the headphone jack, which will keep a lot of people happy, and the Touch ID is the second generation and is still a button rather than the taptic feedback found on the iPhone 7. It features the A10X chip, which should blow the past generations right out of the water, especially my old third generation. 120Hz refresh rate is said to deliver smoother content motion as well as reducing latency for the Apple Pencil. So my first impressions of the iPad are very impressed, particularly for me, coming from an iPad third generation. For those of you who are upgrading from an iPad Air 2 or even an iPad Pro last generation, you may not be so impressed because frankly only a small amount's changed in terms of the form factor. You've got a slightly bigger screen, the weight is going to be comparable, the speakers are going to be comparable, that processor, which I'm yet to test, that I'm told is considerably more impressive on this iPad. So that's it for now on this unboxing, first look and impressions. My full review will be up soon. Thanks for watching.